Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo Find X5 Pro with a cracked display. As you can see there, it's bleeding out. So let's go help fix it. So I'm not actually gonna help fix this thing. I think David is gonna take this one alone, and he's an expert, so no problem for him. As you can see there, the crack looks like putting out some laser beams to the other side of the display, and it's not anymore usable. There's something wrong with the display. It's flickering, and of course the risk of you cutting yourself with shards of glass on the side is pretty big. So we're going to remove the display at the back. The back display is made up of glass, very stiff, and the adhesives are pretty strong. So it's going to be the first time this smartphone is going to be opened. You can see the adhesive are still adhering to the housing. We're going to unscrew everything that's holding on to the main board cover and the daughter board cover. I'm going to lift this up, tap out the screws, make sure we count them before installing them. We're going to try out the replacement display, and as you can see here, it's pretty easy. You just go to that corner connector and turn it on with the Find X logo. Maybe the client doesn't want us to go inside, so we're just gonna try out the dialer, see if the touchscreen is working. And it does. So that's gonna be okay. Some clients want their privacy, they don't want us going into the home screen, so they're gonna be testing it themselves after the repair. So all good. I'm gonna remove the SIM card tray and remove the daughter board. Lots of things to consider. You have a lot of connectors to this board. It's pretty small actually. Lift that up. You have this orange grommet. Now we're gonna slice through the front display, the sides of the front display, just to open up the sides. Safety first. David is wearing his left glove, and we're gonna try to pry it through the side here, just like what we did with the back cover. This one is stiffer. The display is already cracked, so you have to be very careful not to fling out shards of glass all over the room or to David's eyes. And we made it. We slowly pry it off, and as usual, the adhesive is pretty strong, so we need to give it a bit of persuasion. And the adhesives looks like rubber bands, very strong indeed. Next up, we're gonna clean up the housing. We're gonna put some adhesive strips to where the adhesives has been compromised. So we already scraped them off at this side, so we're gonna put some double-sided tape as replacement. And we're also gonna put our own liquid glue so that we can install the replacement display securely. So David has just combined the double-sided tape and the liquid adhesive, the correct amount so that it stays on and won't fall off when the client is using it. We're gonna position the display. We have routed the cable through the housing. We're gonna align it and press it in. Pretty nice. We're going to focus our attention now to the reassembly process, so more on the back portion of this repair, and we're just going to reverse everything and put back all the screws, the back cover, and do some final tests. So if you have an Oppo Find X5 Pro that needs a new display or a new battery, you can message David here. We'll do exactly the same thing on your broken Oppo. And if you're not around Sydney, you can also mail in your broken smartphone. We'll fix it here in the shop and send it back to you. We'll test this, and it's turning on. So David is an expert here, so no problem, no surprises here. So he's fixed it in a relatively fast time, and I hope you find this video useful and at least entertaining. If you want to try this on your own, you can do so. It's pretty simple relative to what you hear in the shop. Just pop out some parts and you can replace your own Oppo Find X5 Pro display. So you can try this on your own. If you can't, go to us or to your local repair service technician. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We'll release new videos every day. So if you're interested in smartphone repair, definitely follow us. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.